Beauty Collections. It's so nice to be back here. If you are just joining this channel for the first time, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. This means a lot to me. I'm so excited to be back here. Well, it's been kind of a roller coaster because the business has actually been going through a lot of things, a lot of changes, and even a lot of activities actually. But I just have to come up here now today to make this video and to show it to you. I'm sure you'll be watching this video sometimes around Christmas, maybe a few days Christmas. So this is just me wishing all my beautiful subscribers Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. I really hope and wish that the new year is going to be a beautiful one for us all, and we're going to all enjoy the new year because this 2020 has just been a very long year. I mean, it's been so long. Okay, so before I proceed, I'd like to show off this beautiful dress. It's a dress by A Beauty Collections, and it's an Adire dress. It's available in different colors, in different prints, blue, yellow, white. I know this is something everyone should have because you can actually rock it in so many ways, and it just brings out that African beauty that you have hidden inside you. So even if you're not African, yeah, there's that African beauty that can come out from you when you're wearing an A Beauty Collections Adire collection. Yeah, thank you so much. But today, let's dive right into the reason we are here. I'm not just here to talk, but I actually want to talk about something that happened during Christmas. One of the events that happened during, no, not during Christmas, that happened before Christmas. So I participated in a program by Startup Refugees here in Finland, and they brought up a proposal to me, like a suggestion to me, that they would be getting like a slot, they call it like a cottage in the Christmas market, the capital of the country, that's Helsinki. So when they told me that, they said it's an expense-free cottage for all entrepreneurs that have actually gone through their program. So this is actually something that would be so good for me, so good for my brand and all. So I was really happy and excited, and I was like, oh, let me do this. And they also advised that we should, as entrepreneurs, you should get like items that people will be able to shop for Christmas. I actually had ideas of the things I would want to shop, I would want to sell for Christmas before that time, but they were not going to be in very large quantities because, as you know, I'm just a growing entrepreneur. It's not a big business yet. So when they said that to me, I actually made a lot of products so that they will be available for customers at the market. The name of the market is in Finnish, it's Tuomaan Markinat. So along the line, we started planning and all of that, and we had groups, we had sessions to prepare us ahead of time for what we would be expecting at the market. It's actually a very big market. It's a big Christmas market. It's one of the biggest in Finland that they hold at Helsinki. It's in front of the senatorial building, the white building in Helsinki, and it's a very big place. It's an open market. So I had lots of expectations. I had hopes and everything that, oh, when I go for these sales, I'll sell a lot, my brand will be known, you know, that kind of thing. So I was so excited to go for the projects and for the program. All of a sudden, Corona happened. The second phase of Corona took over, and lots of events were cancelled all over again. So the market was also affected because it was also cancelled. Wow, when this happened, I was really devastated. I was like, oh God, I'm not going to go to Helsinki because I live in Oulu. I'm not going to go to Helsinki anymore. How am I going to sell my products? Blah, 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 blah. I was really bothered and all. And then they were actually, the Startup Refugees company, they were actually all out trying to promote. They are still doing that, trying to promote the brand. They've always been doing that actually. So they began marketing for us, not really marketing, but they were advertising. Yeah, it's still marketing the business on their own platforms. They were bringing our pictures out so people can know us, see us, and also to their own partners too. They were introducing us to them. And I think they were also looking out for ways to also support us more. So one of the partners of the program, that's one of the reasons why I'm actually here, it's Fazer brand. They make a lot of things. They make chocolates, they make porridge, they make, I think I've seen their oats before, different things. They actually, and I've eaten their chocolates before. Like it's a known brand in Finland, Fazer. So the coordinators reached out to us and they told us that they would, Fazer is actually part of the partners of the Tuomaan Markinat, and they would like to support the entrepreneurs that have actually decided to join the program. So when they told us that, so they said they wanted to just send us a little gift for Christmas. I was like, oh, that's so amazing, that's so nice of them. And I wasn't expecting any big thing really. So I just sent my address, my home address. I was like, okay, I'm excited, I would like to get something from them. And then they sent a package. They sent me a package. That's so amazing. Well, I was not the one that picked up the package. I actually asked my husband to help me do that, and he was so willing to do that for me. He's actually a wonderful person because he does like some of my vicinity deliveries and some drop-offs for me. When he's going to work, he just drops them off for me, and even when he's not going to work, he does it like just to help my brand. So it's actually very helpful when it comes to my deliveries and all. So a big shout out to Korede Akiwumi. He's a scout, he's an agent scout, he's a player agent actually, a player intermediary also. I think I've read some of his documents, so I also have researched about the kind of thing he does. So, and he's a very wonderful person. Yeah, he is, not just to me, but to every other person. So if you actually have something you're doing, or you have you would like to meet him, I'll drop his contacts below also. He's a very good person. Yeah, trust me, he is. Okay, so back to what I was saying. So then I got a package from Fazer. Wow, it was actually mind-blowing when I saw the box. When it got home, it was a very, very super package. Hi, Mama, do you say hi? What's your name? Guess what? The box is just so big. Can you see what I got from Fazer? Wow, this is so beautiful. Fazer, this is not a sponsored ad, but I just like the fact that even though we didn't get to pay to use the cottage, the Tuomaan Markinat cottage, which was being provided by Startup Refugees for all the entrepreneurs that got a program, that had a program with them, even though we didn't pay for that, but because Fazer is part of the partners of the Tuomaan Markinat, they just thought about it that so many entrepreneurs would actually be losing out on a lot of things this Christmas if they don't attend the market, and that was why they had to send this to us. So thank you so much, Fazer. Wow. So Fazer, this is actually an unpaid advert for you because you have actually done something really nice. So let's unbox this together. Are you ready? Shall we? Let's go. This is so lovely. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Oh, so here goes the first thing. This is the kaorayoma. I think that's the oats drink. And glutenton. That's the gluten free. This is really nice. I can't wait to try it. And there goes the second thing. Puro risi. This is like the porridge rice. I think I have seen this porridge before somewhere. And then we go Anospikapuro. Anospikapuro. I don't know what this means. This is really nice. And then the chocolate. Ta-da! Ta-da! Thank you so much, Fazer. I'm so grateful. And then there's a card here. Uvayolo. Kito Samoin. Thank you. And I think it has the content of the things inside the box. So thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I'm so happy to have unboxed this with you. And just don't stop watching A Beauty Collections. And please subscribe to this channel. Ta-da! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Please don't forget to shop A Beauty Collections. Go on Instagram, A Beauty Collections _Finland. And you can also check out the website, abeautycollectionsfinland.com. See ya! Catch ya! Bye!